Soft colors have a way of creating something quietly beautiful. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'll be working with light pink, sky blue, and white to create a soft, bloom-inspired painting. I wanted this piece to feel gentle, something simple, but still visually calming and full of light. I started with a pink base, then added white and blue diagonally across the center of the canvas to create a natural flow through the composition. Using a blow dryer, I gently move the paint across the surface. The colors begin to open up and spread, creating a bloom-like effect with soft transitions between each layer. To bring more focus into the piece, I use my finger to swipe through the center multiple times. These lines create subtle movement and help guide the eye through the painting. This piece is a reminder that simplicity can still be beautiful. Sometimes a painting doesn't need to be complex to feel complete. The softness of the colors can carry the entire piece. As the painting settles, the pink, blue, and white blend together in a way that feels calm and balanced, almost like a quiet moment captured on canvas. If you enjoyed this painting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you see in the comments. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.